Honestly, I feel like a wallet is a person's most basic tool. It carries a person's identity, money, and business. And for an object that carries such precious things, I want someone to take pride in what they're carrying.
We started Dango to take everyday products, but we want to really do it through materials, different manufacturing processes, taking it and really kind of pushing it over the top.
Along with quality, I wanted to offer some functionality to the wallet. So we wanted to offer a multi-tool that has more than 10 functions. I think you having a Dango wallet means that you appreciate good design, good materials, you appreciate style, fashion, and you're just a badass person.
I think it's really important that we make this wallet locally to support local vendors, local businesses, and to really maintain quality control and make sure that we bring the best product to our customers. We want to thank the Kickstarter community for your support on bringing this project to life. We can't do it without you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mike Scully, creator of the LeverGear tool card. I founded LeverGear to design products that solve real problems, look great, and will last forever. We all have little projects that pop up in life, and they don't always happen when our tools are handy. It's annoying to have to spend time chasing down tools for a job that should take 10 seconds. If you're like me, it usually ends up getting added to your to-do list. That's why we created the LeverGear tool card. It's a multi-tool the size of a credit card that has 40 different tools. It's always with you, so you can get things done. I like to be prepared to handle any task, but I also hate the idea of carrying around a lot of extra stuff. A credit card-sized tool that could disappear in my wallet seemed like the perfect solution. We developed the tool card with a simple premise. By nesting the tools, we were able to add tools and reduce weight without sacrificing strength. We kept the edges smooth, so it feels great in your hand when you're using the tools. We chose not to have an exposed blade, so the tool card is TSA compliant and it won't damage your wallet. Instead, we added a blade protected by the can opener so you can cut cords, but not your fingers. The tool card weighs only 1 ounce and slips easily into your wallet, so you won't notice it until you need it. Or ditch the wallet altogether. The innovative money clip is designed to snap on with a click and disassemble with ease. No extra tools required, and no fasteners to lose, so you can quickly switch from wallet card to money clip. The tool card is made in America from blade quality 420 stainless steel, which is then heat treated for excellent strength and hardness. It's then bead blasted for a professional finish and laser etched for rich, permanent graphics. The tool card makes an awesome gift that will last a lifetime, and it's scheduled to ship before Father's Day and graduation. We've put in a lot of time to make this tool as good as it can be. Please help us by supporting our campaign and sharing it with your friends. Thank you.
Measuring tapes help us measure distances and the dimensions of different objects. But a measuring tape doesn't work in every situation. Why isn't there a single tool that lets us measure everything? Now, there is. Introducing Bagel, the smart tape measure. Bagel lets you measure just about anything, at home and at work. Bagel has 3 different modes: string mode, wheel mode, and remote mode. String mode is great for measuring straight lines, curves, and around corners. Wheel mode lets you measure irregular or odd-shaped objects. And it also makes taking measurements with one hand much easier. Remote mode lets you measure objects that are far away and out of your reach. After you're done measuring, you'll need a way to record your measurements. Using pen and paper can be a real hassle. With Bagel, you can quickly and easily save your measurements with voice descriptions. Just take your measurement, push the Save button, and then tag a voice memo to it.
Door of the Future Radar.
When you're done, Bagel will send your measurements to Bagel's mobile app via Bluetooth. This mobile application lets you review your saved measurements and share them with your friends. Bagel is precise. It uses our patented technology to make sure you always get an accurate measurement. Also, Bagel has an easy-to-read digital display that's viewable in most lighting conditions. Size matters.
For more than 30 years, the Leatherman multi-tool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72, row 12, seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
Hey, it's Tracy. Leave a message.
Tracy, it's Frank. Listen, I was driving to meet you, and I hit these people on the road. I got out to help them, and they attacked me. It's like they weren't alive, and then they started to chase me. I just started running, and I was able to get inside that old mental hospital off of South Street. I'm hiding out here, and... Tracy.
it's me. I'm camping out for the night. I'm gonna get going again when the sun rises. Just wait there. I know I'm close. Okay, I'll be there. I love you.
Mm.